We're gonna do 35, don't worry. Look at it, it's sticking to the ground.
Watch for ice on bridge.
I'm watching. The ground's too warm to be ice, I think.
Oh, it's starting to stick in.
That's hard to believe. Snow in July. Chief, good thing I brought my skis, huh, Patty? I will. Well, guys, you can say you were in a snowstorm in July now. Not too many people can say that. They're going to need to send the plows out pretty soon. There's the sign, Yellowstone National Park. Hi!
Hi, welcome to Yellowstone.
Thank you.
Where have you just come from? You have more snow than anyone that I've seen so far.
Oh, it's unbelievable. Between Bozeman and about 10 miles past Big Sky, there's about 4 or 5 inches coming down like crazy. Yeah.
See, it's 10.
Oh, it's 10? How come Glacier's only 5?
Because Glacier isn't as big.
Oh, yes, it is.
It wasn't first.
You guys charge 10 bucks?
Well, it's good for Yellowstone Grand Teton both.
Well, I'm not going that way, though. 10 bucks. Holy cow.
This is good through next Tuesday, both Yellowstone and Grand Teton Park.
Okay.
You may need to show that leaving as well as coming in again.
Okay.
Maps inside.
All right. How far are we from Old Faithful? Okay, great. Bye. Say hi to everybody in North Dakota.
Hi to everybody in North Dakota.
You want me to roll down your window? Anybody behind me? Home, home on the range, where the deer and the bison play. Where home. So we saw bison. Blue skies, finally. Boy, we've had snow and now we're back to summer again. Looks like that one's about ready to shoot off. That one's about ready to shoot, I think, guys. Right there. See right down over there? It's going. She's going. She's blasting, that's why they're stopping. 10:59.
Hi.
Hi. So, don't tape you. Why not?
I hate that.
That's okay. You're paid for that, right?
No.
You're a park ranger.
Yeah, but I'm not paid for this.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Oh. Well, can you just tell me what's going to happen out there? I won't point at you, okay?
Okay.
What's going to happen out there?
Oh, faithful.
At 10:59.
10:59.
Yeah.
Plus or minus 10 minutes
Right.
either way. So, right there.
What happens? I mean, geologically speaking.
An
What-
eruption.
Yeah. But what causes the eruption?
Heat
Heat. That's
Water.
it. Okay.
and a plumbing system.
And a plumbing
And,
system.
Yep. It's got.
So there's what?
Are you filming
There's
yourself?
volcanic activity below us, and we're kind of on a
There's a
porous layer with a lot of water. and
Layer of magma underneath us, and the magma is heating up the rocks and
Okay.
feeds the water. And there's lots of cracks and fissures within there, and the pressure within eventually causes the eruption.
And it just happens all the time. And I noticed there was some chart from 1938. You can kind of get an idea when the next one's going to go, right?
Well, yeah, we got this here. You can videotape this.
I can videotape this. Okay.
This is a chart, our cheat sheet. And
Uh-huh.
that's how we predict Old Faithful. It goes off for a minute and a half, and we add 48 minutes to the time it started.
I see. Okay.
So,
And then you keep a log of all
Yep.
of them too, huh? How far does the log go back to?
actually, they've known about Old Faithful since 1870, the 1930s, I think.
Really?
Old Faithful Visitor Center, man. Help you?
Some of these other ones might go.
We think you had one of those minor
Mark, do you have the sunscreen with you? Like, yeah.
Yep.
Where is it?
In my bag here. Castle is not predictable today due to a minor eruption.
We've got a brief walk at Biscuit Basin lasting about 45
Uh-huh.
minutes.
These are all the other geysers that go off.
Yeah,
Okay.
we get snow throughout. And
Jake, look at this one shooting.
Which one is that one?
Where's Tyler and Luke?
One's supposed to go off at Not 10:30.
10:15, that's the one, yeah. I think it's Daisy, maybe.
Where are Tyler and Luke?
Playing with the marmots.
Why don't I see them?
That's Old Faithful there. And that one we think, let's look at the map. You're on the bridge, and see the weird color in the rocks over there from the minerals? Weird colors, huh?
Well, Luke and Tyler want to live here.
And there's the top of Old Faithful
Aaron would
there.
rather be in Calgary.
That's the top of the Old Faithful Inn there. And then we're on this beautiful little bridge.
But you know
This
what's
is
going
some
to be funny? When you guys grow up, probably you two, Tyler and Luke, will be in the city, and Aaron will have a cabin in the mountains.
No way.
Sure. Because you know what was funny when Colleen, my sister Colleen and I were little? Well, not
Keep walking.
That little, but
Because we want to make it to the top for the eruption. We got about we got less than a half hour. We got hop down. Get your stick.
careful with it.
It's already 10:30?
Yep, 10:20. Let's go.
You can, that's against the you can't sneak in.
Where's the longest spot of those roads?
Me? Yeah, I've been looking at it.
Yeah.
Jake, follow up to me.
You would have think that we would have.
Hey, Jake, you're doing good, bud. Old Faithful there. And she's set to go off at 10:59. And then that's the lodge. We're staying in the Snow Lodge over there. That's the Old Faithful Inn there. And the one we just saw go off was Lion. And I think it's that one down there. Hey. She's right there. Here comes Patty. Holt, bring in Mary. All the way to the top. As we roll out the rest of this tape.
Yeah, look how smooth this is. I did.
Yeah, you did it, Jake.
Jake, wait.
Yeah.
We keep the poison this.
Jake, stay there.
That's fine. They're fine if they just stay right in here.
Jake, stay there. I'll do it if I
The water's right there if you want some.
You said you brought a big container.
Hey, Dad,
Well, big enough for everybody to have a couple swigs.
Dad, we can watch that.
We're not that far away.
You take up. You see?
Dad, we can watch go. Faithful go off.
That's what we're going to do. It's going to go off in about 17 minutes, give or take 10 minutes.